What it do, Corliss fans? It's your boy Corliss J kicking in with you. Finally harvesting some tomatoes. The rain stopped about 2 hours ago. Sun out shining bright. Waterfall sounded lovely. Sadly, though, I haven't been really taking care of the pond. I actually haven't done anything. The water level is almost down to the rock line. I haven't really done anything this past weekend. As it rained, the dirt from above washed into the pond, so now we have this murky mess. But that ain't what we're here for. We're here for tomatoes. Quite a few ripe ones. Going through to get what I can, or at least what the birds haven't devoured. How about that? There we go. And we have some nice ones. And these things are loaded. And as you can see, they're still young tomatoes, still developing. Look at that. Check that out. It's a pretty nice sized tomato, well developed. What can you ask for, right? Said I wanted tomatoes. I got them. We have a few volunteers over here that are still producing fruits. Some still putting on new flowers. Hey, I'll take it. A few down in there. Oh, more than a few down there. Whoa. Yeah. There we go. Should be one more. There we go. Yeah. It's ridiculous, but it's what we wanted. Ah, speaking of tomatoes, let's take a walk into the dungeon. As usual, our vine over here is doing excellent. These actually ended up being beefsteak tomatoes. I just didn't leave them on long enough. They ended up turning orange. Cucumber. Well, lemon cucumber, totally irrelevant. These, dun, 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 are our Kellogg breakfast tomatoes. And goodness gracious. That is tomato, people. But yeah, that. Woo. Good googly moogly. And we have more coming on up the plant. Doing way better than I gave it credit for at first. Finally starting to put on a tad bit of hue. Definitely been waiting on these all season long. Let's get it. The rest of our volunteers here. Well, these aren't volunteers. These are the clippings that we took from the other various tomato plants around as we were pulling off suckers, and they too are developing quite nicely. Flowers intact, root systems looking amazing. Almost time to top off our solution though. pepper plant in the way. I have not been keeping up with these guys. He is almost out of supplement as well. So, looks like I will be making a run to the local hydroponics store to re-up, because I need that. But we're going to finish this off with a variety that I found last year that actually ended up being pretty interesting. Haha. Get out of here, Mr. Ant. This is a yellow pear tomato. View it in all its splendor. The ants bite me on my hand. If you're hanging, really should have took better care of these. But, you know, it is what it is. I ran out of room. Now we're just breeding mosquitoes. But all in all, they're still developing, even though I'm not really doing anything to them. Seeing as they still got new top growth, they would probably take off if they were placed in the proper environment and fed properly. Because that ain't it, coach. Then you got Big Dookie here. I mean, freaking exploded. Get him. Yeah, that is a healthy plant. I'm 6'6", and this has to be at least 5. Well, coming on maybe like 4'9", 4'10". Jeez Louise. I'm with it. But I don't want to keep it too long talking about tomatoes. Until next time, that's for another video.